Ever been in a conversation where someone starts throwing around car terms like 300 horsepower turbocharged engine or front-wheel drivetrain, and you just nod along pretending you totally get it? Yeah, we've all been there. The world of cars has its own language, and if you don't speak it, things can get confusing fast. But don't worry, you're in the right place. Welcome to Autosphere, where we make cars simple, fun, and easy to understand. Today, we're breaking down those tricky car terms. What exactly is CC? What does RPM mean? And why do people care so much about horsepower? By the end of this video, you'll understand all these terms and more, so you'll never feel lost in a car conversation again. And don't worry, this isn't going to be one of those boring, overly technical explanations. We're keeping it simple, fun, and straight to the point, even if you've never popped open a car hood in your life. So buckle up, get comfortable, and let's hit the road. Car body types. Before we get into engines, let's start with something more visible: car body types. We all have that one friend who calls every car a sedan, right? Well, cars come in all shapes and sizes, and those shapes actually matter. Here's a quick breakdown. Sedan, the classic four-door car with a trunk. Coupe, like a sedan, but sportier and usually with two doors. SUV, taller, bigger, great for families or off-roading. Hatchback, a small car where the trunk opens with the rear window. Pickup truck, built to carry or tow heavy stuff, simple and tough. Wagon, a mix between a sedan and SUV, extra space without being huge. Supercars/hypercars, the insanely fast, high-performance machines that make your heart race. So next time someone calls an SUV a Jeep or a coupe a sports car, you'll know the difference. Gear, understanding the engine. Now, let's talk about the heart of every car: the engine. Ever looked at a car's spec sheet and felt like you were reading another language? Something like 2.0 L 4-cylinder, 180 horsepower, 250 Newton-meters torque? Let's make that simple. CC, cubic centimeters. This measures your engine size. Think of it like soda bottles. A 1.0 L engine is small, a 3.0 L is big. Bigger engines usually have more power, but size isn't everything. Horsepower, HP. This is how fast your car can go. Imagine 1 horsepower as 1 horse pulling your car. So, 200 horsepower equals 200 horses under the hood. Torque. This is the muscle of your car. It's what gives your car that push when you accelerate. Sports cars have high torque for quick acceleration. Trucks have high torque for towing. RPM, revolutions per minute. This shows how fast your engine is spinning. More RPM equals more power, but also more fuel use. Turbocharged engine. Normally, engines breathe air naturally, but a turbo forces more air inside, giving extra power without making the engine bigger. Think of it as your engine on an energy drink. So to sum it up, CC equals engine size, horsepower equals speed, torque equals strength, RPM equals effort, turbocharging equals power boost, transmission and drivetrain. Power is great, but it's useless if it doesn't reach the wheels correctly. That's where transmission and drivetrain come in. Think of your engine as a muscle. The transmission makes sure that muscle's power gets to the wheels efficiently. Transmission types. Manual, you shift gears yourself using a clutch and stick. More control, more fun, but more work in traffic. Automatic, the car shifts for you. Easier, smoother, and great for daily driving. CVT, continuously variable transmission, no fixed gears, just smooth, continuous adjustment. DCT, dual clutch transmission, very fast and precise, used in sports cars. Drivetrain types. FWD, front-wheel drive power, goes to the front wheels. Efficient and simple, but can cause torque steer. RWD, rear-wheel drive power, goes to the back wheels. Great for performance cars, but tricky on slippery roads. AWD, all-wheel drive power, automatically goes to all 4 wheels when needed. Good for grip and control. 4WD, four-wheel drive, built for off-roading. Power to all 4 wheels equally when activated. Braking and handling. Power means nothing if you can't stop safely. Let's break down some key terms. ABS, anti-lock braking system, stops your wheels from locking up so you can steer while braking. Brake fade, when brakes overheat and lose power, just like tired legs after sprinting. Disc brakes, common in modern cars, metal rotors clamped by pads. Drum brakes, older design, cheaper but less effective under heat. Now for handling. Traction control, prevents your wheels from spinning too fast when you accelerate. Stability control, Helps keep your car from sliding or spinning out by applying brakes to individual wheels automatically. These systems are your car's safety net, especially during emergencies or slippery conditions. Fuel efficiency and maintenance. Alright, so how do you make sure your car doesn't drain your wallet? Let's talk fuel efficiency and basic maintenance. Fuel efficiency. MPG, miles per gallon, how far your car travels per gallon of fuel. Higher equals better. Real-life MPG varies depending on how you drive. Here's how to save fuel. Accelerate smoothly, no need to floor it. Don't overspeed, most cars are most efficient around 50 to 60 miles per hour. Check tire pressure, low tires equals more drag. Lighten the load, remove unnecessary weight from your trunk. Maintenance tips. Oil changes. Every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Clean oil keeps your engine healthy. Air filter. Replace it regularly for better performance and fuel economy. Brake pads. If they squeak or feel soft, get them checked. Battery. Replace every 3 to 5 years to avoid sudden breakdowns. Wrap up. So there you have it. You've gone from nodding along to actually understanding car talk. Now when someone mentions RPM, torque, AWD, or brake fade, you'll know exactly what they mean. If this video helped, drop a like and share it with a friend who still thinks MPG stands for more pizza, guys. And for more car tips, tricks, and simple explanations, make sure to subscribe. Until next time, drive safe, keep your car happy, and remember, if your car starts making a weird noise, don't just turn the music up louder, get it checked.